What if the magic of the big screen could fit in your backpack? Meet the Xgimi Vibe One, a pocket-sized projector that transforms any wall, anywhere, into a world of pure entertainment. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful, the Vibe One redefines what portable cinema really means. Weighing in just a few pounds, it's built to go wherever life takes you. From movie nights under the stars to quick presentations on the move, it's always ready when you are. Don't let its size fool you. This tiny powerhouse delivers full HD 1080p visuals, projecting screens up to 150 inches wide with cinematic clarity. Its LED light source shines at 250 ISO lumens, giving you rich, detailed images when the lights go down. Setting up your screen has never been easier. With autofocus and automatic keystone correction, the Vibe One finds the perfect angle and focus in seconds. And thanks to its 160-degree adjustable stand, you can project from just about anywhere, even from the corner of the room. Running on Google TV, the Vibe One gives you instant access to your favorite apps, from Netflix to YouTube and everything in between. Prefer to stream from your phone? Just cast wirelessly with a tap. It's entertainment simplified. Set the mood with ambient light mode, offering 8 vibrant colors to match your vibe. And with dual 3W speakers enhanced by Dolby audio, every scene sounds just as good as it looks. No cables, no limits. With its built-in battery, enjoy up to 1.2 hours of video playback or 4 hours of music on a single charge, anywhere, anytime. This isn't just a projector, it's your portable escape into stories, colors, and sound. The Xgimi Vibe One, compact, creative, and ready for adventure. Available now in Europe and coming soon to the US. Choose your style, cloud ash or blue spark, and make every wall your canvas.